I used to volunteer at riding stables from the age of about 12 to 14, and I also did a few open days and helped prepare for the open days at an animal sanctuary about 10 years ago. I would definitely recommend volunteering to anyone, especially tenants. I think it's a really, really good opportunity to get behind the scenes somewhere, learn new skills, and what I found, especially with the riding stables volunteering I did when I was at school on weekends, I found that when I did apply for jobs when I left school, it was something to put on my CV. So instead of just having the usual, sort of qualifications or like GCSEs, it was just something extra, and it gave you more to talk about at interviews as well, so you could really call on your experience, because it's all people based as well as, it wasn't just about the horses or about the animals, it was about the skills you picked up working with others, working as a team, working as an individual, having a task to complete yourself or doing it with others. So I think it's really, really versatile, and it's just got so many benefits, especially if you're looking for employment later on.